So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved my high puff, and also I did a high bun. If you guys want to see how I got this look and this one, stay tuned. Okay y'all, so here we are. Alright, so this is the just about finished look. Maybe I should like puff it out some more, fluff it out some more. I said puff it out. Maybe I should fluff it out some more. Ain't the finished look until your lip gloss on. Show you guys the back. Okay. I mean, we could do a 2-in-1. We could turn it into a nice little puff then. Like a bun. So but we gonna bring it back to the puff because this is what you guys originally came here for, though, right? Alright you guys, so this was my little tutorial on my high puff. Let me know what you guys think. How do you guys do your high puff? Is there any kind of certain method or anything that you guys do, or you just like just slap it together and get a little puff or something like that. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Later.